In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the list of named ranges in Google Sheets. Named ranges are incredibly useful when working with larger datasets in Google Sheets, as they provide an easy way to navigate and manage your data. They allow you to assign meaningful names to cells or ranges of cells, making your formulas and sheets much more intuitive and easy to understand. So let's get started on how you can view these named ranges. Open your Google Sheets document to begin. Once you have your spreadsheet open, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll notice several options like File, Edit, and View. Here, click on the Data tab. This is your gateway to manipulating and managing data aspects within your sheet. After clicking on Data, a drop-down menu will appear presenting you with numerous options. You want to look for the option labeled Named Ranges. Click on Named Ranges and a new pane will appear, typically on the right side of your screen within the Google Sheets interface. This pane is your hub for managing named ranges. Inside this pane, you will see the list of named ranges that you currently have in your Google Sheets document. This is where the magic happens. If you already have named ranges set up, they will be displayed here, allowing you to see all the names you have assigned to various cell ranges across your spreadsheet. This is beneficial for quickly identifying specific data without having to scroll through large datasets manually. Now, should you find yourself needing to add a new named range, Google Sheets provides you with that option in this pane. Simply click on the button within the pane that allows you to create a new named range, and you'll be prompted to specify the cell range and the name you'd like to assign. Make sure the name is intuitive and describes the data it encompasses to enhance the usability of your sheet. In this same pane, if you need to rename any of your existing named ranges to better match changes in your data or for improved clarity, you can easily do so. Select the named range you wish to rename and make the desired changes right there. Sometimes data structures change, and named ranges need to be adjusted. If you need to change the range of cells associated with a certain name, you can also do this from the Named Ranges pane. Select the range, and you'll be able to alter which cells are included under a specific name. Finally, should there come a time when a named range becomes obsolete or irrelevant, deleting it is just a click away. This helps maintain the cleanliness and efficiency of your spreadsheet, ensuring only current and useful names are retained for regular use. That's all there is to it. By using the Named Ranges feature in Google Sheets, you can significantly streamline your data analysis and make your work much more efficient. Thanks for tuning in and happy spreadsheeting.